Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best nightstand dog bed is probably one of the most versatile and stylish pieces of furniture you can add to your home, seamlessly blending your pet's comfort with your own living space. Imagine a cozy haven for your furry friend that doubles as an elegant nightstand, keeping their favorite spot discreet yet accessible. This innovative design not only enhances your bedroom's aesthetic but also provides your dog with a secure and comfortable place to rest, ensuring they feel safe and loved while you're nearby. It's the perfect solution for pet owners who want to maximize space and maintain a chic, organized environment without compromising on their dog's well-being. Number 5. Bedsure Orthopedic Dog Bed, Large Gray. Give your pet unparalleled support for a deep, dreamy sleep. Our orthopedic design helps distribute weight evenly, providing perfect pressure relief and joint support. The four-sided bolster design promotes ultimate comfort and security, offering a variety of cozy positions. It supports their head and neck for a more restful sleep. The cover features a waterproof layer to protect against spills. Simply unzip and remove the cover for quick machine washing and easy care. Wrapped in velvety soft flannel fabric, this supportive bed offers soothing comfort. Your furry friend will find it cozy and relaxing. Certified foam and luxurious flannel create a safe space for your pet to rest. The non-skid bottom reduces slips and protects your dog. What we like? This bed offers exceptional orthopedic support with its high-density foam, perfect for older dogs or those with joint issues. The waterproof cover makes accidents a breeze to clean up. If you have a senior dog or a pet prone to messes, this bed provides the ultimate in comfort and practicality. What people say? It is sturdy, well-constructed, comfortable plush and made of thick, good quality materials. The entire cover can be washed. The orthopedic foam still feels supportive, the shape has held up well, and it's clearly comfortable because she gravitates to it every day. Number 4. Bedsure Calming Dog Bed, Camel. Recognized for its exceptional comfort, this bed is loved for its extra fluffy faux fur and cozy design. It's perfect for curl-up sleepers and blends seamlessly into any home. The signature donut shape provides a soothing, secure space for your pet. Its raised edge supports their head and neck, ensuring long-lasting comfort for anxious pets. This bed surrounds your pet in soft, supportive comfort for naps and overnight snoozes. The round design helps them feel safe and secure, encouraging deeper, more restful sleep. Crafted with tested safe fabrics gentle on pets, this bed is made from OEKOTX certified materials. The sturdy, non-slip base keeps it in place for easy entry and exit. Designed to look as good as it feels, this bed comes in neutral hues. Smaller sizes are fully washable, while larger ones feature a removable, machine-washable cover for easy cleaning. What we like? This bed is designed to provide a sense of security with its calming donut shape and extra fluffy faux fur. It's perfect for anxious pets or those who love to curl up. If your dog seeks comfort in a cozy den-like feel, this award-winning design will help them achieve deeper, more restful sleep. What people say? The bed arrives in a flat bag and it is supposed to take 24 to 72 hours to reach its full fluffiness. However, you can see in the photo that it was good to use after only 12 hours. Washing is easy. I machine washed on warm and rinse on cold. Drying only took about 20 minutes on medium heat, and the bed comes out all fluffy and ready to go. The material is so soft. They don't smell bad upon opening, but I washed them after I knew they would use them just to get the chemicals from manufacturing out of them. After many washes and a year of use, it's held up and still very plush. Number 3. Bedsure Small Dog and Cat Bed, 20-inch Camel. Indulge your pet in unparalleled comfort with our plush Sherpa surface. It provides a fluffy and ultra-cozy softness, creating the perfect resting environment for ultimate relaxation. The round bolster design offers enhanced comfort and a sense of security. It allows your pet to snuggle in various cozy positions, promoting restful sleep. Our ultra-soft polyester fiber filling provides essential joint and muscle relief. It maintains its shape and loft over time, ensuring lasting comfort for your furry friend. This certified PetSafe bed ensures a secure space for your pet to relax. The non-skid bottom provides added stability, preventing any unwanted slips. Keeping it clean is simple with the removable pillow cushion. Just machine wash it in cold water on a gentle cycle for a fresh, like new restoration. What we like? Experience ultimate relaxation with its extra soft Sherpa plush surface and premium, shape-retaining filling. The round bolster design offers a secure and cozy spot for your pet to snuggle. If you're looking for a bed that prioritizes luxurious softness and consistent comfort, this option provides a consistently plush and supportive experience. What people say. It is big enough that he can really stretch out, and soft enough to keep him comfortable. This bed is well made, washable, and looks like it will be keeping my kitty happy a long time. It is made so great and very padded. Besides the comfort, it looks great. Number 2. PetSafe CozyUp Bed Ramp. Give your furry friend a comfortable and safe way to reach the bed. This ramp helps reduce stress on their joints and back, making bedtime easier. Crafted from durable, furniture-grade wood, this ramp offers stability with a stylish finish. The high-traction carpet surface ensures secure footing for your pet. It provides a gentle incline, perfect for pets up to 120 pounds. This allows them to climb confidently for cozy nighttime routines. PetSafe is dedicated to creating joy for pets with vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We offer exceptional customer support to help you and your pet thrive. For over 25 years, we've been creating safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance pet lives and support the special bond you share with your family member. What we like. This ramp provides safe and easy access to beds for pets with mobility challenges. Its high-traction carpet surface ensures secure footing, and it's built with durable, furniture-grade wood for stability. If your pet struggles to jump onto the bed or couch, this ramp offers a low-impact solution to protect their joints and give them independence. What people say. Super well made, and super solid and sturdy. It is steady whether placed on carpet or hard floors. All the pieces were included and the ramp is very sturdy. Number 1. Lutron Pico Remote for Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch. Meet the Lutron Pico Remote, your simple solution for smart lighting control. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Caseta dimmers. Easily turn your lights on or off, and adjust brightness with the touch of a button. You can even set your favorite lighting levels. Enjoy the convenience of adjusting your lights from anywhere in the room. No more getting up to flip a switch. Place it on a tabletop using the coordinating pedestal, or mount it on the wall. The choice is yours for ultimate flexibility. This remote boasts an impressive 10-year battery life, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. A battery is included to get you started. This package includes one white Pico remote. Coordinating accessories like tabletop pedestals and wall plates are sold separately to complete your smart home setup. What we like. This remote offers convenient control over your smart lighting, allowing you to adjust brightness from anywhere in the room. With its raise lower function and preset lighting levels, you can easily set the perfect ambience. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to manage your Caseta smart lights without needing your phone, this remote provides effortless control and a long-lasting battery. What people say. It is a perfect size for my Chihuahua and fits right under my nightstand. The bed is very soft and my dog loves to snuggle in it. The material is durable and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.